Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acting immediately. Restart the phone to clear temporary glitches, then open Settings and force stop System UI so it stops any stuck process. Once done, go to Apps, enable Show System, tap System UI, choose Storage, and clear cache. This removes corrupted temporary files without deleting data. Make sure to reboot after clearing, because a fresh boot lets the cleaned components initialize correctly and often resolves the hanging dialog or frozen interface. Next, diagnose conflicts by booting into safe mode so only system apps run. If the error stops, a third-party app is responsible. You should then uninstall any recent or suspect apps one at a time, rebooting after each removal to check results. Also inspect and disable draw over other apps' permissions for apps like screen recorders or chat heads, because overlays commonly trigger system UI crashes. Finally, reset app preferences to restore disabled system services and ensure nothing essential stays off. If the issue persists, make sure System and Google Apps are up to date. Pending updates can fix known crashes. Before a full reset, boot recovery and wipe the cache partition to remove low-level temporary files without erasing personal data. If wiping cache fails, back up your files and perform a factory reset to restore a clean system image. If even a reset fails, contact the device maker or carrier for firmware reflash or hardware diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: try a different user profile or SD removal to rule out storage corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.